I'm Rebecca.
I'm Leslie.
And I'm Stella.
And we're the Bad BBs.
Our boat is a rectangular prism.
The length is 100 centimeters.
The width is 90.
And the height is 40 centimeters.
And we're gonna float.
The reason why we're gonna float is
Because
because
the density is less than 1.
and our boat is a rectangle.
And because we are better.
Period. Good luck, cause you guys are gonna need it.
Hi guys, I'm Mo. I'm the captain for our group. I'll be the one getting in the water with the boat. My predictions for our boat is that we will hopefully race, be competitive, and I hope our boat floats, and it floats with me, and all. That's all.
Hello, I'm the co-captain of our group. Our boat design consists of 6 rectangles and one triangle. I think our boat is gonna float because I don't think Mo is that heavy, and I think our boat design is good. And when we did our model boat testing, our boat floated perfectly, so I don't see why our boat is gonna sink.
The group, and our boat consists of 6 rectangles and a triangle, and I think our boat will sink because I didn't really like the design, and I think Mo is too heavy.
Mr. Henry, we need your help design a boat. You're the greatest boat architect known to the 7 pools. We need your help to design the greatest cardboard boat of all time.
I'll do it, but I need all creative insight.
Is it gonna float?
Of course it will. It'll be the best boat in the pool.
But who's gonna man the boat?
I'll do it. What are we gonna name the boat? How about the TI-84?
Yeah, that works.
Sounds pretty good.
The name of our boat is the Flying Dutchman, and we named it that because Sammy came up with it, and he's Dutch.
After we found the name of the boat, we found the length and the width according to Sammy's body.
So for our model boat, our length would be 22.5 centimeters, our height would be 10 centimeters, and our width would be 17.5 centimeters. Our model boat is 1/4 the size of our actual rowboat, and the volume of our model boat is 4,506 centimeters cubed.
Our boat is a pentagonal prism. The height of it is 40 centimeters. The width of it is 70 centimeters. The length of it is 90 centimeters. The overall volume of our boat is 288,400 centimeters cubed.